What's inside your cup, David? Oh, what was that? It's like little bumper cars.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Uh-oh. All that's left is a ducky. There you go. Now what? Oh, Gunner might think that's fun. We'll find out. No, not for you, babe. What's he doing? Momo's giving him a little pet. Time for everything to go off the board. Oh, can you reach it? Oh, you're so close. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Can you get it? Oh, so close. Boop, boop. Here, Becky. What was that funny face about?